There are two versions of Microsoft Teams. One is for organizational use and one is for personal use. So if you were to go around over here, microsoft.com/en-ww, Microsoft-Teams/download/app, then you get over here onto this page right here. So here you can see download for desktop as an option right here. So if you were to go around and click, then you can see that it says download Microsoft Teams right here for Windows desktop, and there are two versions right here. So you can use this that method that we saw in previous video right there, but that is a way to actually download Teams for work or school. So what we want to do is, let's say we want to set up Teams for home or small business, then you use this option right here, download Teams. So once you click on that, what happens is that it opens up a new tab right here just like this, and you can download out the home version of Teams right here. So you can see that this is the home version compared to the previous work or school version right here. So I'm just going to go around and click the installer file right here. And then what happens is that it says downloading Microsoft Teams, and then it starts the Microsoft Teams app right here, just like this, as you can see. So it has installed out Teams right here, and I can access out Teams right just like this, as you can see. So now you can see that it says access out the Teams right here. So I'm just going to go around and use another account right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and use my TutorTube account. So over here, you can see that the team loads up right here. So what we're going to do is we are going to set up the personal version of Teams right here. So which is free and accessible by everyone without needing a subscription to Office 365. And over here, you can see that I have my account choices. So I'm just going to go around and select out my TutorTube channel email right here, just like this. And now it is loading, as you can see. And now I can go around and sync my Outlook and Skype contact over here as well. But I'm just going to uncheck this and click on continue right here. So now it's loading over here again, and now you can see that I am in the home version of Teams right here, and I can also see the messages that I previously sent to my other account right here. So you have the activity, you have the calendar over here, just like in the web version, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can install the home version of Teams on your desktop and then start using it. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.